I'm here today at Nghraig Gwladus, a great location, on a great day weather-wise, to come and see what we are doing in conjunction with our partners, Neath College and others, Swansea University, the Friends of Nghraig Gwladus. This great project is restoring and rebuilding what used to be the smithy here, and it's also having the great benefit of the trainees getting some great skills and being guided in the correct way to do things heritage-wise.
Hi, I'm Lisa Kerman and I've been helping the Friends of Nghraig Gwladus to manage this park for the last 5 years. We've managed to get grant funding in successfully, and we are gradually improving the park for visitors and local people to enjoy and understand their heritage.
I'm Associate Professor Alex Langlands from Swansea University. I work in history, heritage and classics there. And my involvement in this project really is to facilitate the bringing together of lots of different groups of people in order to address the issue of sustainable heritage. So what we're doing here is we've done some archaeological assessment of this structure here. We think this is an old smithy and a stable block. We're clearing back the ruins, recording all of that archaeologically, and then what we're starting to do is to build up some of the walls so that we've got what we call a stabilised ruin. And the great thing about the project is that we've been able to involve members from the local community, in particular Neath Talbot College, giving them a vital opportunity to learn some of these types of skills. You know, these construction skills, they command a premium in the workplace, and there's a huge need for them in Wales as well.
At the end of June, we're very excited that the Society for the Protection of Ancient Buildings are going to be running public workshops that anybody can book on between the 21st of June and the 24th of June, and they'll be working on conserving one of the other historic features, which is some old bridge abutments, the supports for the bridge. And doing the same sort of job as they're doing here, learning the full process from devegetating the structure to raking out, repointing, learning how to lime mortar, learning how to dress stone, and we're also, which I'm really excited about, going to have a mobile lime burning kiln in the middle car park, which is going to be fuelled with charcoal that we've made from trees that have arisen from the management of the park. So it's kind of full circle, is why it's important that this project and everything we're doing here is interlinked and giving opportunities to people to learn heritage skills that are becoming increasingly sought after, but are quite rare. And the other thing is, it's free. We're not charging for it because we've got this very generous grant that is enabling us to offer these activities for free from the National Lottery Heritage Fund.
Neath Talbot has some of the most amazing masonry structures, and it's really important that we think long term about how we conserve them and preserve them, and the best way to do that is to have a workforce of young, talented and engaged people learning those skills, those critical skills in masonry and lime mortar work, so that in the long term we can help preserve all these fantastic monuments that we have here.